Hello, you are welcome to another case study. We are going to be looking at number 6, and in this scenario we'll be looking at the stock market, specifically on Tesla. So as usual, we start from the monthly time frame. That's on Tesla monthly time frame, as you can see over there. Then we analyze, go to our weekly, then we'll look for trade on the daily. These are charts that has already happened, showing how this our strategy can play over and over again, looking for good setup. So from the monthly time frame, you can see what's happening here. The overall previous month high was this, which has been taken out. Overall previous month low was this, which has been taken out. Then you can see inside this chart we have micro structures of high and low, previous month high, previous month low. After that has been taken, we also have previous month low, previous month high. You can see all of that, month high, low, based on the candlestick type of formation we are having month high, month low, microstructure. Now looking at the major structure high of the previous month, we can see that when price has taken out that previous month high, all we are anticipating is for a reversal. So if we notice a sell trade from this area, probably from the weekly to the daily, is going to give us higher probability of the trade playing to our favor. It's just like the market whereby you sell high, you do what? You buy at the low. Buy low, sell high. And now price has given us an indication that it is at the region that it has higher possibility of selling. So we'll go to our weekly. Coming to the weekly chart, a lot has happened. Remember, let me mark it out. Previous month high, which is a month liquidity sweep. On the weekly too, a lot has happened. Price has been selling. Previous week high, previous week low. All right, week high, week low, just like that. We can see all the structures that have been happening. Major week high, major week low, micro week high, micro week low, just like that. Everything that has been happening. Now this one just happened some weeks ago, so we are going to be focusing on back testing. All the case study we are looking at, we are going to be focusing everything on this area. Then let's observe what the market does. From our candlestick identification, this was the highest candlestick, the lowest candlestick. Then at this point, this is the low, and this is the previous week high. Previous week low, previous week high. So we are anticipating what price will do. So in this scenario, I will have to do a bar chart replay, so that we can be able to see clearly what price did. So this would then be our previous week high. Okay, week high. Then this will be our previous week low. As usual, what we have been studying all this while, week low. So therefore, with this, we can now go to the daily time frame and see what could happen on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we want price to get to this point, give us our candlestick reversal pattern, then we can enter the trade for a sell, either to get our 1 to 3 or to get down to this low point. Then let's see what happens. Let's play the chart. Okay, we can see what happened over here. Let's look at the chart on the daily time frame now. The daily time frame candlestick has taken out the previous week high point. So when it took it, we see our candlestick formation here. So this is going to give us the confidence to sell this trade. This will not be our day sell. Then let's put our sell indication there. I say indication. You know, our target is usually 1 to 3. Okay, usually the main target of any trade is either when we take it from the week high, we are targeting the week low. All right, at the same time we may extend and get our 1 to 3 on the dot. All right, so let's see what price will do. And you know, this is our candlestick formation we are looking for our reversal trade, which played out. Candlestick 1 was taken out by the body of candlestick 2, then candlestick 3, which is this one, candlestick 3, took out the low of candlestick 2, and we are anticipating price to also take out the low of candlestick 1. All right, let's see what just happened. You can see without wasting time, price took out the low of candlestick okay, price took out the low of candlestick 3. After that, instantly over here, it went back into this candlestick zone of candlestick 2, so that to activate this trade. So this trade now is then activated, and let's see how it will play out on the chart. Let's see if we get our 1 to 3. Okay, you can see this was how Tesla stock sold just last week over here, using our way of analyzing the market. So we see how we analyze it from the monthly, then we go to the weekly, then we went to the daily. We saw our entry model there on the type of candlestick we usually use. We enter the trade, and you see it was a beautiful 1 to 3 trade. So that is the range where the price is already at right now. Like I said, this strategy is not 100%, but if you analyze critically, make sure that everything is in confluence, the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. It gives higher probability of the trade going to our favor. That is all for today. Have a great time. Bye.